Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you a new flavor of performing VLOOKUP, and I call this as Magic VLOOKUP. In this scenario, we have a data here. We have a table where we are supposed to perform 5 VLOOKUPs from the raw data here. Okay. Even before I perform a VLOOKUP, I just marked the position of the columns from the employee number from the raw data. So let us quickly find out. Company name is the 4th position from employee number. Similarly, email is the 12th position, county is 7, phone is 10, and address is 5th position from the employee number. So what do we end up doing here is we perform 5 VLOOKUPs. However, in this scenario, we can use only one VLOOKUP function and we can populate all 5 columns. Okay, so let's see how does this work. So here is the syntax for quick reference I have given to you, and the red color one is where we do the magic here. Okay, let me use is equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket, and the first one is a lookup value. I take this employee number and the table array. So instead of selecting very few columns, I select entire table from the employee number till the end. Okay, as usual, freeze it, F4, and now the magic comes here. Okay, so we know the column index number positions here. So instead of writing the column index number directly, use a flower bracket, open the flower bracket. So what we require is 4, column index number 4, comma, and we require 12, comma, 7, 10, and 5. Now close the flower bracket, then come back, comma, and as usual give 0 for the exact match. Close the bracket and hit enter. See, all 5 VLOOKUPs done in one single formula. So now you select this, paste till the end, right? So we got all 5 columns populated from just a one single VLOOKUP formula. Once you're done with this, select everything and paste special values so that you don't lose a VLOOKUP. Hope you like this video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.